So in this video, I am going to explain you bus topology. So actually in the bus topology, all node devices are connected to the single shared communication cable called the backbone. And this is the circuit diagram of bus topology. And here, instead of tabs, these are called tabs in theory. In the Cisco Packet Tracer, we will be using switches. PT switch we will be using in the Cisco Packet Tracer. This is called node, or we can call this as end devices. This is the backbone. So now we will be connecting here. So come to Cisco Packet Tracer. So here network devices. Select PT. Okay, sorry, select switches. Here will be a PT switch. Select PT switch. So here there is a PT switch. Connect. Place PT switch here. Yeah, PC switch is connected. Now go to end devices, select PC or laptop. Your wish you can take all PCs and laptop also. So now connect the connection. Go to connections, select a wire. In this connection, the same devices are connected with the cross-through cable. This is the cross-through cable. We can connect with this. We can select fast internet. Okay, already it is connected. So connected. Okay, better go with this only. This is the crossed wire connection. So now for the different devices, straight through connection. Now click on the PC, click desktop, select IP configuration. So assign here IP address 1.0.0.1. Enter. Go back. Now similarly from here, go to desktop, IP config. Now assign IP address 1.0.0.2 here. Enter. Close it. Now assign an IP address here also. Similarly, go to IP config 1.0.0.3. Enter. Go to desktop IP config 1.0.0.4. Enter. Here go to config IP config 1.0.0.5. Close. So now we have assigned the IP addresses to all the end nodes. So we can here label the what IP address we have assigned here for easy understanding. 1.0.0.1 we have assigned here. So similarly to here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here. So these IPs we have assigned here. Now we have to do simulation. Here, click here, simulation. So select a packet from here to here. So start simulation here. It is not absurd. Done. So you can see here simulation in process here. So after completing correct execution here, it will be successful. It will be displayed here. Done. Successful. We have done with bus topology. You want, I can show you this 3D one. How working principle. When the node sends data from the signal, travels along the backbone cable in both directions. The data continues to the travel until it reaches the destination node. It absorbed by the terminal at the end, both ends. This is called as drop lines. These are drop lines in the network. So if you want to note down the diagram, you can note down here. This is the simulation diagram of the bus topology. One more method we can find out how many devices are connected with one devices through the bus topology. Any of the PC, just open command prompt and type ping space in same IP address. See, here it is done. Here you can see send 4 and receive 4, because here in this one PC I have assigned here, he is sending to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and receiving from the 4 nodes. So here we have done with the bus topology.